Assalamualaikum. Introduce my name is Dea Ramadhani with the last three digits of NRP 043 from class PL1B. I will present about 5 types of safety sequence. Intro- Introduction safety sequence. Safety sequence are sequence or symbols that serve to convey information, warning, or direction related to safety in particular location or condition. The main function of safety sequence is keep individuals safe from the risk of harm and create a safe work or public environment. The first one, fire equipment. Fire equipment is equipment used to extinguish fire, detect fire, and protect life and property. Adequate fire equipment is essential to ensure the safety of firefighter and the effectiveness of firefighting effort. Example fire equipment is APAR or alat pemadam api ringan is a portable fire extinguishing device made to control or extinguish small fire in an emergency. It is used as a first step to prevent the fire from spreading further and becoming difficult to control. They are designed to be easily used by anyone, making them very effective in situations that require a quick response. In addition, APAR is often placed in strategic locations such as home, office, facilities, and public facilities to increase preparedness against fire. Uh, the second example fire equipment is a fire alarm is a warning system designed to detect a fire and signal the occupants of a building so that they can immediately escape or take precautionary measures. The system is an important component of building safety and aims to minimize the risk to life and material loss to fire. The second one of safety sequence is safety condition. Safe conditions we can highlight important health and safety information relating to emergency action, equipment, and facilities. The system also alerts us to safe operating conditions with regards to machinery and equipment. The first example of safe condition Sorry. The poster falls under self-condition as it provides evacuation instruction in an emergency such as frost, during a fire, earthquake, and set us of stairs. This information helps people to stay calm and take the right action during an emergency situation, minimizing the risk of injury or harm. The existence of these guidelines demonstrates preventive effort to create a safe environment. The second one example of condition is the picture. So under safe condition because it promotes work safety through the use of personal protective equipment (PPE), such as safety glasses, gas masks, gloves, protective shoes, helmets, air coverings, defenders, and safety vests. This PPE is designed to protect workers from various risks such as falling objects, exposure to dust, noise, or physical injury, to creating a safer work environment that complies with occupational health and safety or OHS standards. The third one of safety signal is warning. A warning signal is a signal which indicates a potential hazard, obstacle, or condition requiring special attention. The first example of warning is the flammable liquid. Second indication indicates a risk of fire because the liquid has a low flash point. The flame symbol is a universal warning to be vigilant, avoid smoking, lighting fire, or sharing an object that could cause sparks in the area. Always be prepared by knowing the location of fire extinguisher and evacuation procedure. The second one example of warning is the high voltage electric panel signal warns of the danger of fatal electric shock from panels with strong current. The lighting symbol indication as electrical risk. Keep a safe distance and avoid direct contact. In the event of a malfunction or emergency initiative, call the number listed for assistance. The, The first is mandatory. A mandatory second is a visual communication tool as to convey specific action or behavior that must be followed in a particular setting, such as a workplace, public space, and industrial area. The first one example of mandatory is the main function of the second is to ensure asset safety, especially when descending or climbing stairs. By holding the handrails, the risk of slipping or falling is minimized. The context of us of the second is usually placed in the start area, which is an area with potential danger if not careful. The example second one of mandatory is assembly point is an important thing in a workplace when emergency situation is happen. Assembly point are temporary gathering at areas where it can be immediately determined is if everyone is out of the building. And the last one is prohibition. A prohibition second is a health and safety second that prohibits specific action or behavior that could mean risks of injury or harm. The second are designed to prevent accidents, protect individuals from hazard, and promote safe practice in various settings such as workplace, public space, and industrial areas. The example first one of prohibition is the red circle station with a diagonal line and a picture of a cigarette inside prohibits smoking in curtains area. Such a putting near flammable material or in fire-burn place. This prohibition aims to prevent fire, protect health, and keep the environment clean from the impact of cigarette butts. Adhering to this vision is important to create a safe, healthy environment. The example second one of prohibition is both images are prohibition sequence. The first sequence, the first sequence is the first sequence prohibits the use of a laboratory or workshop without official permission. This means that only authorized persons may enter and use the facility. Meanwhile, the second sequence prohibits participants from jogging or playing around during the practicum. The goal is to maintain the safety and smoothness of the practicum process. And thank you for me, and bye bye.